Hello friends, this is Scott, and this was 2 weeks ago at the school garden, and just taking a look at the the last of the garden after the first frost, and look, we have 6 cubic yards of wood chips that the school ordered, so we have hopefully enough to mulch the garden the way I like to mulch it. But I'll take a quick look here at what we have left. I'm bringing the kids out today. It's Tuesday, and we have a gardening class in the afternoons. We have a couple left, I think, before we stop for winter. But we have some garlic coming up, and we're going to get that all mulched in. Good. And there's one garlic there that didn't get pushed into the soil. But we have quite a few tomato plants in cages we have to clean up and put the hoses away and, just get rid of the major debris. Again, we're just going to let the soil life take care of most of this organic matter. So whatever we don't just clean up, we're just going to bury them in wood chips and let the soil life take care of it. So yeah, it's not a ton of work, but we got to move some wood chips. And today's not the day; it's too rainy. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But the following week, which was last Tuesday, we got out here and it was a beautiful sunny day. Now I got here a little early, so I was able to take a look at this material before the kids come out. Again, I don't film the kids. That's their privacy. I just do kind of the aftermath of what we get done. But I have 2 classes for that. They reach out here about a half hour. I have 4 6th graders, and then I have probably 12 7th and 8th graders. And so we do it, and we break them up into 2 sections, and we come out and we do the work. So yeah, we got all this, before the kids come out, I got all the stuff kind of pulled out of the ground, and I threw away a bunch of stuff. And we have some cages to put away still, so I'll get that done before the kids get out here and start moving bark, because today is bark moving day. So I hope they ate their Wheaties this morning, because I want to get all this done, because I want to be done with the garden for the year. So if it doesn't happen this week, if we're not finished, then I'll go one more week. But I've got other stuff to do. I've got my home garden I've got to put to bed too. The hobby farm's in pretty good shape. I'm just going to do as much as I can before the snow flies down there. But I'm at a pretty good stopping point. If it was to snow today, I'd be fine. But here we go. I want to get this all done and mulched in, and so that we can move on with other things, because it's been a great gardening season, and we grew a lot of produce. Seemed like everybody really enjoyed the garden this year. But it's, I'm getting to the point where I'm kind of tired and I need a break. So I'm hoping that these kids are going to be motivated to do a bunch of work today. Again, I only have 4 kids of 6th graders, and I've got 12 8th graders, 7th, 8th graders. So we'll see how they do. And the first class is the 4th graders, and amazing. They work their butts off. I am so proud of those kids. They come out here and literally in 20 minutes, they mulched this whole area. And I want to do it deep. So I'm hoping I have enough material to do the whole garden, but I may have overdone it a little bit here. But we're probably 8 inches in some of these places. But those 4th graders or 6th graders, they really did well. And I'm hoping that the second class of 8th graders are going to come out here and do the same thing. As you see here, they did what they needed to do. They got out here and they mulched this whole area, and we started from the kind of the farthest area from the wood chips, but we got it all done. And as you see, the pile's gone. And so the kid did great today. I mean, both classes they worked really hard, and they've got it all mulched in. I wish we had another cubic yard maybe, but yeah, we'll just go with what we got. So I'm happy. I think the principal's happy that we got the asphalt kind of cleaned up to the best of our ability without a broom. But our strawberry bed needs to be thinned, so I'll be taking some of those to the hobby farm probably next year, but we'll worry about that next year. But again, we had a great gardening season. And the kids learned a lot, and they really enjoyed, they look forward to the gardening classes, and that makes me very happy. So it's definitely worthwhile teaching your kids where their food comes from, and these kids tried a lot of different vegetables that they probably wouldn't normally have tried. So it's a win-win, and they understand, some of the gardening process. So, well, anyway, another fun year at the garden, and again, we'll start again next year. Thanks for watching.